Restoring balance and positive energy, guided meditation. These days, in the rapidly running world we live in, it's more important than ever to have a healthy and regulated nervous system. One that supports your calm, clarity, and conscious presence. It's absolutely wonderful that you chose to take this time for yourself, to go inward and relax instead of seeking external solutions to avoid the silence. This short voice-only guided relaxation and meditation is designed to support your body and mind. Whether you are here to release stress, calm your nervous system, find a moment of inner peace, or enjoy a meditation without music, let's slow down together and reconnect with the quiet space within you, where nothing needs to be fixed or changed. Find a comfortable position. Allow your body to rest. Take a few calm, gentle breaths. Inhale and slow exhale. Briefly notice your body. Feel supported. Limbs are heavy. Your chest is soft. It's enough to settle in and arrive fully. And now bring your attention to your energy. Imagine it as a gentle flow, moving freely through your body, soft, smooth, and balanced. Any stagnant or heavy energy dissolves, replaced by light, calm vitality. With each breath, feel this balance expanding. Your mind is clear. Your heart is open. And your body is at ease. If tension or worry arises, simply observe it, then let it flow away. Feel restored, energized, and centered. You are safe. You are supported. And you are balanced. Your inner energy is available anytime for you. You are at ease. You are at peace. You are fully present in your body and being. This is a voice-only relaxation. And if you'd like to experience the effect of a personalized relaxation audio created specifically for your own emotional or life challenges, feel free to book a short free call with me through my website. A personalized relaxation can become a true healing support when listened to regularly. If you feel drawn to experience deeper relaxation journeys with music and extended guidance, you will also find my standard relaxation packages on my website. The link is in the description. Thank you for allowing yourself this moment of rest. And take care of yourself. I look forward to sharing the next moment of calm with you.